What is up guys, Done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the VR games from crashing in Steam. So first head over to the Steam application and then hover to the library section here on the left side and then click on home. After clicking on home, in the left side you will see this three lines. Click on this and then check for the VR option so it will show all the VR games or tools that you have in your Steam. So just right click on that particular Steam VR or any of the VR that you have. Click on properties, and after clicking on properties, you just need to hover to the beta section and click on it once. After clicking on betas here on the right side, you will see the beta participation section. Click on this and the drop down list will appear. So you just need to make sure that you are on the latest beta version because the latest beta version always comes with the less issues and more fixes. It means that all the issues that were in the previous update are fixed in the beta version. So you need to make sure that you are at the latest beta version and then this will solve your problem. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.